Count the scars you tried to hide. Every silence, every side-eye. This is the line drawn right now across the ground. Feel it under your skin. All the years they said stay small. All the times you swallowed rage. Tonight that story ends. Boot to the curb, heart like a war drum. Loud in your ribs, knuckles aching from holding back. Tongue tasting iron, ready to spit. Crowd of doubts in a tight bright ring, circling close, chanting old sins. You stand still in the noise and the heat. One slow breath, then you lean in. You think I'm done, I'm just starting. You think I'm weak, try me harder. Try me harder. Crouching. These are our battle lines, painted in sweat and bruises. We don't back down this time, even when flesh is losing. We shout, we move, we claim, nothing left worth proving. These are our battle lines. These are our battle lines. Grip on the rail, laugh in the face of the ones who doubt. Eyes lock fierce on a distant mark. Every step feels like calling them out. Tongue tied once, now a sharpened blade. Cut through guilt, cut through blame. Stand with me, call and response. They scream your same. You think I'm done, I'm just starting. You think I'll fold, keep on marching. Keep on marching. Crouching. These are our battle lines, painted in sweat and bruises. We don't back down this time, even when flesh is losing. We shout, we move, we claim, nothing left worth proving. These are our battle lines. These are our battle lines. For every door slammed, for every quiet you can, for every night you shook alone, remember this. You are still here, I am still here. I am still here. Proud. Right foot, left foot, bite down, push through. Right foot, left foot, all in, all you. Right foot, left foot, bite down, push through. Right foot, left foot, all in, all you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Count the scars you tried to hide. Let them show, let them guide. This is the line, and you're already across it.